Dreams FC coach Karim Zito anya confirm say the adena ne de sa offer no eba na ya obegyae na adwuma oye no Dreams FC no akoye adwuma wo ba fufuro na ba fufuro no hemfa Kumasi Asante Kotoko na currently we no Kumasi Asante Kotoko situation ne de tamana nyoma nkoye ma coach Prosper Ogum no and Karim Zito was on the radar of Kumasi Asante Kotoko say wakobo Champions League now no Kotoko no we have a stint with Kotoko no nka won sign yeden emra na nko mekura nyomam at the end of the season. But to be real honest, me Komodia Medini said the way as say Kotoko asefa ntoma pa fra ne de Ogum no sa season no ebe wie ya enya de a okobe bia. That's another information I may pick it. But meanwhile, Coach Karim Zito din komo all kase ono de sa offer no eba, especially from Kumasi Asante Kotoko ono sa a good manner. Dreams FC ni fie, yes, and Dreams FC ne de adwuma no betimi e de ato akosom e wo ba bia opeso akosom na offer no good obejai Dreams adwuma no no akoye adwuma no ama Kumasi Asante Kotoko anase team bia offer no good to him ena oka o generalize no ene the team owner Asante Manwura otekrore motumfo o say to God bless the king otumfo edi 74 years ene the birthday of the owner of Kumasi Asante Kotoko otumfo say to Nana, we love you too much. Otumfo betina akonya no so asumdwe nko a na ode nyansa na ebu Asanteman ne Ghana man. Otumfo nyankopon enhira no. Yes, Karim Zito nsema otwetwe no nkomo otwetwe no ne Love FM e Kumasi ene di sa nkomo. O say Dreams FC head coach Karim Zito. For Dreams FC, I am a family member and it is not about money. So if an opportunity from another club comes and the offer is good, keyword, and the offer is good, I may consider it. So or say sir Dreams FC hono one day I'm a family member or a family and it is not about money. Also Dreams FC or any sika kesi bia no je sa opportunity never from another club na offer ni good he may consider it. I'm for the link Kumasi Asante Kotoko. But then again, another scoop of information I may pick and say the Ogumu Konede nya dia Kotoko ota changes and that's a Kotoko ota nyoma with regards to the technical team of Kumasi Asante Kotoko at the end of the season. Provide the Kotoko winning ways or nams on a twasu sa. That's information I may pick despite this conversation too. Well, the BCBI the update beba.